Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Kryptonic, and today I'm going to be talking about this gaming headset right here, the GAMDIAS Hephaestus P1. And if you guys don't know, I am a very big fan of GAMDIAS products, and that is because I've worked with them for many years, almost 2 years now, and I really like their stuff. I find their headsets to be just very good overall, and they're a very small company compared to like Corsair, stuff like that, and they provide very good products, which I find is still shocking to this day, because whenever I tell people, do you guys know the company GAMDIAS, have you guys seen their products on Amazon or something like that, a lot of people always say no, and it's very shocking because when you look up like gaming headset, gaming keyboard, anything like that, they pop up very quickly. So it's very confusing to me why this company still doesn't have the recognition I think at least it deserves. And another really cool thing that GAMDIAS does is that they braid their cables so that way they last you a lot longer than normal cables. I still have some old headsets. If you guys go back on my channel, you guys will see that I've done reviews for other GAMDIAS products, and all their cables are braided, and I still have every cable intact in perfect condition, and I've used them very often. So you can just tell that overall this headset is definitely going to make you not spend any more money down the line. And for the control switch that controls the mute and volume up, there's also a vibration feature that GAMDIAS includes on all their headsets, and I find it to be incredible because you could literally feel like you're in the movie, whatever you're doing, game. It feels really good on the ears. And of course, I love the fact that you can just plug this in. It's a plug and play headset, and you have 7.1 surround sound already, so you could hear exactly where people are shooting from in PUBG or something like that, exactly to the point, which I find to be very great, because some headsets, yeah, they can just plug and play, but you don't get the driver features for the 7.1 surround sound unless you download the drivers from their website. And of course, for GAMDIAS, to control the RGB, all you have to do is go to their website and download their program, and once you download their program, you will be able to customize it. And of course, you also get a very cool voice changer for the headset, which I find to be a little bit interesting. Now, what type of review would this be in 2018 if I didn't include an audio test for the microphone on the headset? So I'm just going to show you guys some b-roll of something, I don't know what it is yet, and you guys are just going to listen to the microphone. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Kryptonic, and this is the GAMDIAS Hephaestus P1 headset microphone, and I personally think that this definitely sounds a lot better than other headsets out there, but let me know what you guys think down below. So as you guys see, the audio for the headset is not bad. The microphone is probably one of the top 5 microphones I've heard on a headset that sounds incredibly good. My own headset, the Creative Sound Blaster H7, doesn't sound as good, and it's like a $100 headset, and the microphone is not that great for that headset. Even with the drivers installed, everything, it sounds really mushy, and I just find it really hard. But at the same time, I think it's because my headset is about a year old compared to this, new GAMDIAS headset, which is, a little bit more modern and has had time to make the microphone better in the process. Anyways, guys, if you guys are looking for a good entry gaming headset for, gaming, movies, anything on your computer, PS4, I would highly recommend you guys check this out, because this headset is definitely one that's going to last you a long time, and it's going to be something that looks really cool. Just imagine your friends coming over and seeing a really sweet RGB headset on your desk. They're going to be wondering where you got it, and you guys can just tell them GAMDIAS, because GAMDIAS is definitely going to make a come up sometime this year. At least I hope so. They're making coolers in the future, fans, cases, and water coolers overall. That's just going to be super sick in the long run. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to go check out GAMDIAS, because like I said, I love their company, and maybe you guys could give them a try too. And I'll see you guys around, and keep in mind, guys, this has been Kryptonic.